In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix pages printing in reverse order in Microsoft Documents. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are having an issue whenever you want to print your pages in Microsoft Word, the pages are reprinted from last to first. You can go ahead and fix this such that you have the first page printed first and the last one coming at the last. To fix this, go ahead and open your document and then go to File, and under File, go ahead and choose Options. Now under Options, go ahead and choose this option called Advanced, and under Advanced, scroll down until you see Print. And as you can see, Print is here, and scroll down here, you can see we have Print Pages in Reverse Order is enabled. When this is enabled, your pages will be printed in a reverse order. To disable this, go ahead and uncheck this and then click on OK. From now, go ahead and now print your pages, and this should solve your problem. Now your pages will be printed with the first page coming first and the last one coming last. So that's how you can fix reverse order on printing documents or pages in Microsoft Documents. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.